It's just encapsulates what the industry is in one whole course.
So my business has just grown exponentially.
Doubled my earnings within the first month by taking on Mark's advice, and then I've doubled that again just 3 days ago.
The progression I've seen through the course of the year has been massive. So from where I was at the start of the year to now, I'm a completely different person.
It's improved my bottom line by at least twice since the previous year I was working. And it's changing the whole time as well. It's my second year and he's continuously putting out new material, which is quite strange that he can do that, but he's doing it.
Sometimes you think there's how much can you actually take in, but just going over the content, especially through the website, it's amazing the amount of content and the quality of it. Mark sometimes seems a bit larger than life, but he's always approachable.
Sometimes you won't like the answer, but he will answer you and give you, he's prepared to give of himself.
And he won't shy away from telling you the honest truth. And for a lot of us, it's what we really need, it's what I really need.
The thing that stood out the most in both years, it was like, you've got someone there that believes in you. And I think going for your goals, that's the most important part. So, yeah.
The community has been certainly one of the biggest wins for me. I've thoroughly enjoyed being able to bounce ideas off, establish relationships and connections with the other students.
The network of people that you have, you can connect with and continue to connect with, which will help you grow your business, help you network, help you build relationships, which is really invaluable.
You're not just paying for a seminar. It's not a seminar. In fact, you're not even paying for a seminar. You're paying for everything else that comes with it. You're paying for being a part of a community, and that in itself is, you can't put a price on that.
It's really overwhelming in a good way. You really learn a lot about yourself, not just your business, but it's also been really life-changing, I guess.
If you're on the fence about joining Wolfpack, you're probably the person who needs to come to Wolfpack.
Just take the leap, you won't regret it.
You know, even if you're a successful trainer, you can still get a lot out of Wolfpack.
I mean, I've flown from Canada twice this year. Literally, you can't fly any further to come and see Mark speak. I've had a lot of different mentors. Some things have been okay, have brought me to a certain level, but Mark always over-delivers, and he wants to make sure that I succeed as part of this group.
It's like a secret weapon, I guess.
From a value perspective, that's what I would say. It's highly valuable, and it's unlike any other program that I have encountered in 25 years of being in the business.
There's no sitting on the fence with this. If you want to do Wolfpack, if you want to increase your finances, increase your knowledge, increase your education, you have to do Wolfpack. It's non-negotiable.
There is no other course that is going to challenge you more and help you grow more, both on a personal and professional level. And if you're someone who wants to help bring the standard of personal training to a higher level and a more respectable level, then there's no question you need to join Wolfpack.